Now it's time for the biggest revelation ever. The real score on Casey Concepcion and Piolo Pascual. For weeks, EDSA commuters were baffled with a series of billboards featuring real-life couple Piolo Pascual and Casey Concepcion in sweet poses. Some people speculated it might for an upcoming movie or teleserye, or even another big kilig announcement. Now, Piolo and Casey are ready for their yummiest secret ever.
Gamit this place?
Oo naman, syempre dito mo ako dito naman you kidnap me, di ba? Alam niyo, sobrang memorable tong place na to dahil first Valentine's namin together.
And I think Casey's a wonderful woman. Kaya naman lahat, bibigay ko sa kanya. Hanggat kaya ko.
Alam niyo, masaya kami sa mga shoot, lalo na itong first century corn tuna kasi we're together na.
Casey joins Piolo and the Century Tuna family in promoting their healthiest and tastiest product ever. That is the Century Corn Tuna.
It's the little things that count, kaya yun ang pinaka-nakakakilig. Alam ni TJ yan, di ba? Lalo na that I love Century Corn Tuna kasi siksik siya, hindi malapsa at 30% less fat than other brands.
And every day just makes me more sure.
Lero. Ano? Ano gawin mo?
The secret's finally out. Casey and Piolo, the perfect couple with their perfect choice of tuna. Century Corn Tuna.
Wala nang sasarapan sa Century Corn Tuna.
Senator Kiko Pangilinan and the megastar Sharon Cuneta. The senator and the megastar face all the issues together right now.
We caught up with the ever-busy Senator Kiko at the opening of his latest chain of restaurants located in Tomas Morato. Here, the better half of the megastar shared the perfect recipe for a successful relationship with his wife.
Ako simple lang. Basta lahat ng bagay na pinasukan ko dapat 110%. Disiplina lang na kailangan balansehin lagi ang oras. Hindi na papabayaan ang bawat larangan. Binibigyan ng oras at panahon. Simple lang yung samahan namin ni Sharon. Nagkasundo kami na ano lang, sa araw-araw na aming pagsasama, ginagawa niya yung gusto niya at ginagawa ko yung gusto niya. So, oo, tsaka ako laging may huling salita sa bawat debate. I have the last say. Yes, dear.
From his relationship with Sharon and kids, the press went on to ask Senator on his thoughts on the newest addition to his family, Casey's new boyfriend, Piolo Pascual.
We have met on several occasions. He has joined us in a number of our family gatherings.
So, paano how do you find him?
Basta we have met and I'm happy for kung masaya si Casey, we're happy for him. Kung saan siya masaya, masaya rin kami.
From the husband to his loving wife, we caught up with the megastar during the pictorial of her upcoming show, The Biggest Loser.
I'm really very excited kasi napanood ko yung mga pre-interviews nila, mga kapiraso, they were presented to me sa isang meeting namin nila Direk Junjun. Tapos, nakaka-touch yung mga storya ng bawat isa, tsaka meron silang mga kanya-kanyang rason. So, nung napanood ko, hindi pa yata sila nai-inform na sila na yung pipiliin, yung napili. So, I'm excited kasi I like to meet all of them. Gusto kong maka-encourage maski paano. So, it gives me more motivation to lose also my remaining weight, diba? Yung remaining extra weight ko. Para yung
makabigay din ng konting inspirasyon.
Spending time with her family remains as Sharon's top priority, especially with the addition of 16-month-old baby Miguel. Sharon talks about the adoption process.
Ongoing na siya, nagdadasal kami na sana. Alam naman ng mga tao, siguro hindi kami masamang tao. At talagang mahal na mahal namin yung bata. So we're praying na mapadali na sana before the end of the year. Pero meron na siyang travel permit. Kaya kasama na siya sa vacation for the first time. May tumawag sa amin, may dinala sa kanilang bata. Alam nilang baka, baka I'd be interested kasi alam nila na I kept saying gusto kong mag-ampon. So, biglang, ayun, nakausap ko, alam mo bang hindi ko pa nakikita man lang yung picture niya, ni walang MMS. Sabi ko, teka muna, huwag mong ibibigay ito anybody else. Akin yung batang yan. Tapos, dinahandaan ko yung asawa ko na sobrang in love naman sa kanya.
With pictorials, commercials, movies, TV shows, and a happy family life, Sharon still has to contend with a few detractors. To the people who constantly stir controversies to bring her down, Sharon has this to say.
Kung meron mang gusto pang manakit sa akin, please try hard because I choose my battles and I've decided these are battles not worth my time. So there are better things to better things to focus on and more lovely people to think about.
As the new man in her daughter's life, Piolo Pascual, Sharon says,
Hindi ko talaga po sila nakasamang magkasama mula nung naging sila. Kasi nga, ang daming ginagawa nilang dalawa, separately and together siguro. They see each other, pero pareho silang busy sa trabaho. Alam niya yan eh. Tapos ako rin. So, ang hirap magtugma ng mga skills. Hindi naman namin siyempre ino-obliga yung mga bata. So, I'm sure makikita rin makakakain kaming sabay-sabay na walang tatayo or walang malilate, di ba?
Finally, Sharon ended the interview with these warm thoughts about Casey and Piolo.
They're both smart. So, alam nila ang hirap ng pagiging tiga-showbiz na may relationship kayo. Pero, I'm sure they know also kung ano mga solusyon doon. Hindi ako worried basta hindi sila worried. Di ba? Kasi, basta I keep telling Casey, you two stay strong. I trust them both. My God, if there's someone I trust, it's my daughter. So,
And that is it for our show. To all Cinnamon Originals fans, we'd like to invite you to grab our DVDs out